Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to create guess the number game using Python software. Let's get started.
First of all we need to do now is to understand the blueprint of the guess the number game. Let me show you for example. Now, first of all, we are going to this is a blueprint of the guess the number game. Here, first of all, we generate a random number. We write a program to generate a random number. Then when we generate the random number, we now ask the user to guess the number, to guess the right number. What number to guess the right number in which the system generates, the random number in which the system generates. Then if the user guessed it right, then he passed the game. But if he guessed it wrong, he has to try again and restart again until he gets the right number. So let me show you for example what I did. Like now, let me test it now. For example, you say, "Hi, welcome to the guess number game. Guess the number from 1 to 9." Alright, let me guess the number. 4. Let me guess 4. 4. It showed failed. Instead, it tells me to guess again, like I have said here. I've said right here that if I guess it wrong, it says try again until I guess the right number. So let me keep guessing. Okay, from 1 to 9, let me guess 1. So guess the number from 1 to 9. Let me guess 2, 3. Yeah, congratulations. I guessed the right number and it's equal to 3. So if I guess 3 now, the program will end. The program is going to end. So this is what I'm talking about. That is past. Then no need of restarting again. So let's get to the coding stuff. Let's start writing a code for it. Okay. All right. First of all, we write import random. Then we ask the system, we ask Python to generate a random number from 1 to 9. So let's write something reasonable for it. So we create a variable name generating random number that's equal to random dot rounded, that's from range 1 to 9. And we'll just write our guess from the beginning will be equal to 0. Then let's start writing something reasonable. Okay, we write while guess is not equal to generating random number. That means as far as we are not getting the right number which the system generates, then it keeps repeating the question until we get the correct answer or the correct number. So here we are going to write guess, yeah, equal to int, right, input. then write hi, welcome to guess the number game. Then guess the number from 1 to 9. Then here's what we are going to write next now. So we now say if guess is not equal to generate random number, then print. We are going. That means that it means that if our guess, the number we guessed, is not equal to the exact number in which the system generates, then we are going to say mm, failed. You failed to generate the right number. Or just write failed. Let me write failed. Try again. That's reasonable. Then just the final reasonable step now is that, so under this while, as far as we not get the right number, it will keep repeating itself again. As far as we not get the right number, it keeps repeating the question again until then we now write print. Then if we get the right number, we are going to write like congratulations. You guessed the right number. So then the system, it won't repeat itself again. That means the program will end here if we get the right number. So let's test it now. Here. Hi, welcome to the guess number game. Guess the number from 1 to 9. Let me guess a number. Okay, 7. Failed, try again. Let me guess another one. Let me write 1. Failed, try again. 2. Failed, try again. It keep repeating itself because of that while loop. Then 3. Failed, try again. 4. Congratulations, you guessed the right number. Then the program now ends here finally. So that's how you that's how you create make a guess the number game using Python. So thanks for watching. That's the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like, subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and share, and also like the video. Thanks for watching.